Hi everyone, welcome to Python Learning Series for Network Engineers. This is the second video on Regex part, and in the first video we've seen overview of how to parse the configuration. So I'll be explaining this in detail, the logics what I'm using for parsing these. Now before that, as I have mentioned earlier in the first video, we'll see how to save the configuration into a text file and parse and test the Regex logic in that. Now for saving the configuration, I have a script here. So you can see here if I run it, it will prompt for giving the command. So I'll give show run and it will save the file. So we'll try to optimize this script so that we don't have to keep on manually run the command. It will go on a for loop and it will take all the output and save it as a text file for multiple commands output. So let me just delete all these existing files. Now first what we'll do, we'll create a for loop here. Sorry, not for loop, while loop. I'll give while true and let me add everything under while. Now if you run this command, it will be looping through this and all the commands it will take, but we need a breakpoint. So what we'll do, so for show command, either user gives a enter or if user types exit, it should come out of this while loop. So I'll write a logic for that. So the user inputs will be storing here and the show commands. So what we'll do, if user gives an empty string or enter and if user types exit, then we'll say break. Okay, now let us try running it. So let me just try. So you can see here I just came out of the code after entering, or if I give exit also I'll come out of the code. Now here I'll just print exiting the code. Okay, so you can see here I'm just getting the message. Now the command execution will go through the for loop for each command. Now for the file name, we'll do some kind of optimization. So we'll add a number for each file name so that we'll see the execution order. So for example, so first command is if I want 01 underscore and show version, then I can just give the number here. For that, what we'll do, the numbers will start from 1 2 3. So what we'll do here, we'll just define a variable n equal to 0 and each execution n will increment by 1. N equals n plus 1, and then here we'll define that n inside of string. If I just give n, it will come like 1 2 3 if you need it in 0 1 0 2 0 3 format. So what you can do, so 2 digit will give and then 1 underscore will give here. So now it will come in that format. So let's try running it. Let me give show version and let me give show run. So you should be able to see it with file name now, show version underscore output, but you can see there is a space in the file name. It is a best practice that not to keep spaces in the file name. So what we'll do, we'll try to replace that as well here. So for that, here we have show command. So here what we can do is we can replace the space with an underscore. I'll do a replace and we'll just give a space and replace that with one underscore. Okay, let me delete these files. Yeah, now let us try collecting all the show output which we need for further parsing using file. So the first command is, I'll give show version files are getting saved here, but PyCharm is taking some time to refresh it. So now next command is show run, and after that we will give show IP interface brief. Then one interface specific configuration, show interface gigabit 1, yeah, then show platform resources to get the memory utilization. We'll do parsing of all this. Let me exit. So you can see here now, based on the execution order, it created the file names 01, and everywhere where I had space it added underscore, and when I gave exit it came out of the script. Now in single script I can get a number of commands output. So from the next video we'll see how to parse show version output using this logic and get the output, and after that we'll see how to add it into our SSH logic. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.